What's going on, everyone? If you're a console gamer like myself and you've considered starting a gaming channel or live stream, you're going to need something to capture it with. Now, in today's video, we're going to keep things short and show you how to install the 4K capture utility, which is the software that you can use with your Elgato capture card. So let's jump right into it. Alright guys, this first video isn't going to be all that hard or anything. You guys know how to install stuff, but just in case you don't know what software to get, we're going to open up the internet and go on over to elgato.com. And then from here, there's two ways that you can get the software that you need. You can either go to products and then select capture and then choose your capture card, or if you already know what you're going to need to download, you can just go to downloads and then select your product here. Now, pretty much any card that you're going to get for your console is going to be an external card. So it's either going to be the Game Capture Neo, the HD60X, or the 4KX. Now, I'm using the HD60X, although I do have a 4KX, but it doesn't really matter. It's all going to be the same software. So it's going to be the 4K capture utility. You're going to come here and you're going to download it. Now, if you want to, you can put your email in here, and that's just for them to advertise to you whenever there's something new hardware, new software, whatever the case is. That's really up to you. But if you don't want to, that's fine, and you can go ahead and click on continue with download. Now, obviously, we're going to wait for that to finish up. Once it's done, and close that out and open up our downloads, and then you can double click on the icon so that you can start running the wizard. Alright, so once this pops up, you're just going to go through the steps. You should read the end user license agreement. Once you're done with that, accept and then click on next, and then choose where you want it to install. For me, that's fine. Hit next and then install. After that, all we have to do is obviously wait for it to install, and then once it's complete, you can click on finish. After that, you can choose where you want to keep things. You can keep it on your desktop, you can put it down into your toolbar. Personally, I like to keep my desktop as clean as possible, but of course you do want to test it out, so make sure that you open it up, and this is what will pop up. I've got my Xbox Series X on right now, and in our next video we're going to be going over the settings. So if you guys have any questions about the 4K capture utility that you want me to cover, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you on the next video.